And the last point, according to this journal article from orthopedics, is actually number 5 is our most common and our biggest wheelhouse candidate, which is the low back strains or the lumbar disc injuries. The most common of these in the winter months is once again that wet, heavy snow and somebody going out and shoveling more than they can handle. We can also be a little concerned about falls where people maybe fall awkwardly with their back twisting, or somebody going and doing a bunch of skiing, snowboarding when they aren't up into condition for it or don't have good technique and form, where they could pay for the price in their low back instead. If we see these things, whether it's a disc injury or a muscle strain, they are very good candidates to our chiropractic and rehab approach. We're definitely going to get after it with good side posture or drop adjustments, flexion distraction to pull apart the disc and the musculature and get that straight decompression on there. McKenzie Method exercise is phenomenal for low back type injuries. So, this is hopefully a nice little recap of what this article from the European Orthopedic Journal said. Kind of went over 5 major injuries that we see from musculoskeletal in the winter here. Tips to kind of keep yourself healthy and keep yourself out of injuries. Wear tracks if it's going to be a really icy day. You know, it's not very expensive to get a pair of tracks and slap them on the bottom of your boots and on the bottom of your shoes there. Um, Not shoveling more than you could handle, taking your time, taking it nice and easy, or like if your neighbor has a snowblower for you to bother instead, just take the help and get the snowblower. Um, Knowing your limits on your downhill type sports, whether that's even just sledding or snow tubing, or if you're hitting Tussey Mountain or the slopes with like some skiing or with some snowboarding. All good tips to stay away from the 5 most common musculoskeletal injuries in the winter months.